When I think of snow, I usually think of outdoors, downhill skiing, sledding, tobogganing, having a lot of fun outside. Christmas.
When I think of snow, I think of building snowmen and the peaceful, muffled noises of the cars going by. Happy times.
Peace and quiet and whiteness.
When I think of snow, I think of quietness, walk in the woods.
Tunnels, making tunnels and igloos and fun time.
When I think of snow, I think of cold, powdery, potentially fun, but potentially dangerous substance.
Where we're likely going to see the significant snow is going to be in Wisconsin. Certainly South Bend. The lake is going to help us out big time, even if we...
Finally, you for Michigan! It only took how long? Fuck.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
It's here. It's 1 degree or -1 degree out. Battery's going dead overnight again. The last time it was happening, it was because of the ground cable to the winch. But yeah, you can see them dome lights are usually brighter than that. What the hell is that?
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that? I don't like that noise. All right, we won't do that anymore. I kind of wired the winch and the plow winch together through this lead here. So I just have to unhook that and just hook the plows back up. Just tape this one off. And what's it gonna do? It might burn the truck down, you know, dodge. Hey. Well, I unhooked the winch. Just draped it right there. These also come loose here and there, so I gotta whack on, make them tighter since I have so much shit coming off them. Yeah. Alright, well, I ain't touching no metal, but it ain't gonna matter, will it? Alright, we're good. Let's set it down. Hey, what the hell? What are we forgetting there? Oh, I forgot to put my cardboard in, so leave it up. Brr. Come on, baby, give me oil pressure. Oil pressure. Oil pressure. It's so damn cold. That oil pump is weak or something. Come on. Oh, it's so cold. Come on. Oil pressure. This ain't good. Ain't good at all. Or if I should kill it. There it is. I need to get a new sensor or I need to get a new oil pump. I don't know which yet, but it needs it. Oh shit, the window ain't even froze. Make sure this still works. Actually works a lot faster now without the fucking winch hooked to it. Alright, I'm gonna go in, let my fingers warm up. Alright, so I plowed my driveway and one of my neighbors so far. Now I'm going to another property. Plow trucks are done. Nope. Hi, buddy. Alrighty. some enjoyment, eh? Holy shit, guys. It's bad out. It's been worse. Whew. That makes it a little easier to see. Take me in Mexico. I don't know why the fuck we're here. Alright, good enough. Uh-oh. Bad connection. Can't see up my other mirror, so this sucks. I don't see nobody. Should we get a turn around? I don't see no tree behind us, but it doesn't mean it's not there. I gotta sit on the dash for it. Good enough. Little washer fluid. Really? You gonna fuck with me like that? Jeez. They just don't give a rat's ass. Might as well just be living in Canada at this point. I mean, shit, you got the communist Democrats here in Michigan and bullshit, you know?
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
Seems like they're trying to clean up the streets a little. It's a lot of snow right there, jeez. I can't see. Can you? As long as one of us can see, then we're good. Oh, come on, baby. Climb. Climb, baby, climb. I like how it's nice and bright through here. Holy shit, somebody fucked up more than once through here, jeez. People getting stuck. Should drop the plow and make it worse. We'll drive through the snowdrift. Why? Because we can. Until we blow a tire hitting a fucking curb. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, she gonna squeal at you. Sit here and truck, make sure nobody steals it for me. Washer fluid, Chex Mix. What else? I don't know. I'd like to point out how the plow marker has not broke off since I've added that spring to it. Holy shit, bud. Is moving it. With this little ass DK2 plow, she is getting pretty well bent again. Had to replace those next year probably. Otherwise, it's doing it. This shit's heavy as hell too. Yeah.
Make my wish come true for Christmas. Merry Christmas! I'm getting a new coat. Yeah.